Good morning, class 11th Commerce. Welcome to Business Study. Our lesson forms of business organization is going, and we are doing the topic how to form a company, what are the steps. The first was promotion of a company, second was to get the certificate of incorporation, and today we are going to discuss capital subscription stage. After getting the certificate of incorporation, as I told in my previous video, the company's birth take place on the day when we get the certificate of incorporation, the date which is mentioned in the certificate of incorporation. If in certificate of incorporation the date is written 25th August and we are getting the certificate on 30th August, then the company's birth date is to be considered 25th August. Now after getting this certificate, now company will start arranging the money, capital, and in public limited company, the shares, the capital can be contributed with the help of shares. Now how to issue shares in the market, what steps to be taken? So here number one step is SEBI approval. SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, it is the main regulatory authority in India who has full control on all stock exchange which are established in India. So in order to issue our share in the market, first we have to take permission from Security Exchange Board of India when we want to issue our shares. Without their permission, we cannot issue our shares. Companies should not hide any material fact from SEBI when we are applying to this board. Whatever information which are necessary and essential, they must be given to SEBI. Then only we will get approval from SEBI to issue our share to the general public. Next, prospectus or a statement in lieu of prospectus. When we want to issue our shares in the market, we have to get a print of prospectus. What is prospectus? Prospectus is a booklet which gives companies full detail about history, if it is, and what are the future plans, who are the directors, underwriter, banker and solicitor of the company. Each and everything is mentioned in prospectus. Through this prospectus, shares are issued in the market. The people who wants to purchase the share, they will get a prospectus and fill the application form. This a copy of prospectus is to be deposited to the registrar of the office also. It is essential. Who is registrar? Registrar is the person who has given the certificate of incorporation. Next is appointment of bankers, brokers and underwriters. Now when we will be issuing our share in the markets, the people will purchase the share and they will be sending the money or depositing the money in company's bank account. Therefore, a company has to open a bank account also. And normally the shares are issued through agents who are known as brokers. These brokers helps in trading of the shares. Many times we have a fear that the entire share issued by us in the market will be purchased by general public or not. So in that case we appoint an underwriter also. Underwriter is a person or it is a company or it is a firm. In case if public does not purchase the entire share, then remaining shares will be purchased by that underwriter. So who are all these bankers, brokers and underwriter? We have to deposit this list to stock exchange as well as to the registrar office. Then minimum subscription. Once shares are issued in the market, public will start purchasing the shares. Public will start depositing the share money into the company. Application will be coming to the company. Whatsoever applications have come to the company, now company will give share to those applicants. जो लोग शेयर खरीदना चाहते हैं वो कंपनी में अपनी एप्लीकेशन भेजते हैं. अब कंपनी डिसाइड करेगी किन एप्लीकेंट्स को शेयर्स देने हैं, किन को शेयर्स नहीं देने. This process of giving share is known as allotment. तो company cannot allot its share to the applicants till 90% of the total issued application does not received by the company. कि जितने शेयर कंपनी ने मार्केट में इशू किए हैं उसका अगर 90% एप्लीकेशन कंपनी के पास नहीं आती हैं तो कंपनी अपने शेयर एप्लीकेंट्स को वो शेयर अलॉट नहीं करती है. एंड दीज 90%, मिनिमम 90% एप्लीकेशन मस्ट कम विद इन 120 days ऑफ द इशू ऑफ शेयर्स. अगर कंपनी ने 10,000 शेयर इशू किए हैं और कंपनी के पास अगर 9,000 एप्लीकेशन नहीं आती हैं तो कंपनी उन एप्लीकेंट्स को शेयर अलॉट नहीं कर सकती. And if company is unable to get 90% of its application, the company has to refund money within 130 days from the closing date of the prospectus. After that, application to the stock exchange. Stock exchange are the stock market where our company's share will be purchased and sold. It means we have to list our company in any of the stock exchange in India. In India, we have approximately 20 stock exchanges, I think. It will come in coming chapters how many stock exchanges are there. तो किस स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में हमें अपने आप को लिस्टिंग करवानी है, किस स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में हमारे शेयर खरीदे या बेचे जाएंगे, उस स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के अंदर हमें वी हैव टू अप्लाई विद एप्लीकेशन. We have to give full detail of our company in that stock exchange, and if stock exchange is satisfied with the information given by us, then only that stock exchange will list our company in that stock exchange and our share will be purchased and sold in that stock exchange. And then is allotment of shares. After that, company will be allotting the shares to the shareholder, to the share applicant, Those share applicants become shareholder. Now a list of shareholders with their name and number of share holding and their address, that list is to be submitted to that stock exchange. Complete detail of the shareholders with the stock exchange as well as the registrar of the company. So this is the procedure if a company wants to issue its share in the market. That stage is known as capital subscription stage. Now the fourth step in the formation of a company is commencement of business certificate. A private company can start its business just after getting the certificate of incorporation, but a public company who has issued its share in the general public cannot start its business till company does not get the certificate of commencement of business. In order to get this certificate, following conditions must be satisfied. Number 1, a declaration that share payable in cash have been subscribed for and minimum subscription has been received. कंपनी को ये लिखित में देना पड़ेगा कि जितने शेयर्स के लिए हमने मार्केट में इशू किया था और लोगों ने हमारे शेयर खरीदे थे उनका जो है मिनिमम सब्सक्रिप्शन यानी मिनिमम एप्लीकेशन रिसीव हो गई हैं और सबका पैसा आ गया है. ये लिखित में कंपनी जमा करवाएगी. A declaration that every director has paid in cash the application and allotment money on his shares. किसी भी कंपनी का डायरेक्टर बनने के लिए उस डायरेक्टर को उस कंपनी के कुछ शेयर्स खरीदने पड़ते हैं. दो शेयर्स आर नोन एज क्वालिफिकेशन शेयर्स. तो कंपनी को यह डिक्लेरेशन देनी पड़ेगी, रिटर्न में देनी पड़ेगी कि डायरेक्टर्स ने शेयर खरीद लिए हैं और उनका पैसा एप्लीकेशन का भी और अलॉटमेंट का भी कंपनी में डिपॉजिट कर दिया है. अ डिक्लेरेशन दैट नो मनी इज पेंडिंग टू पे बैक टू द एप्लीकेंट्स. कंपनी को यह भी डिक्लेयर करना पड़ेगा, रिटर्न में देना पड़ेगा कि जिन एप्लीकेंट्स को शेयर अलॉट नहीं किए गए कंपनी ने उनका पैसा रिटर्न कर दिया है, वापस कर दिया है. नेक्स्ट, अ डिक्लेयर दैट अबव रिक्वायरमेंट हैव बीन कंप्लाइड विद द डिक्लेरेशन कैन बी साइंड बाय द डायरेक्टर्स. और एक ये लिखित में अलग से डायरेक्टर को साइन करके देना पड़ेगा कि कंपनी ने जो भी लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ हैं वो सारी की सारी लीगल फॉर्मेलिटीज़ पूरी कर ली हैं. आफ्टर सबमिटिंग दीज डिक्लेरेशन ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर साइंड बाय द डायरेक्टर्स एंड द कंसर्न्ड पर्सन, then only a company will get the certificate of commencement of business. Commencement means बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने का. उसके बाद पब्लिक कंपनी मार्केट में अपना बिजनेस स्टार्ट कर सकती है. दिस इज द स्पेसिमेन कॉपी ऑफ अ सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ कमेंसमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस. तो दिस वाज टुडेज टॉपिक. 4 steps we have studied in order to form a company. Number 1, promotion of a company. Number 2, certificate of commencement of business. Number 3, capital subscription stage. And number 4, certificate of commencement of business. Thank you.